guys, today I wanted to show you how to take off the vinyl tile stickers and the 3D gel self-adhesive tile stickers off the wall. So you might obviously think, oh, it's just easy, just peel them off. Yes, that's on the end what you're basically doing, but I put them on as a sample as we got a couple of questions about how to do it. And I put them on a few days ago. This just the samples that we had, and this is just some offcuts from the other wall I did in my kitchen. And I thought, okay, I'll give it a go. So I put them on properly. I'll show you that the corners are done as well. So we apply a bit of heat to melt them on the sides, and you might see nothing is moving, so this is not a prop. There you go. The same with the self-adhesive ones, they're attached properly. So the glue had the time to properly work on them, and they are on properly. So I thought myself, yeah, okay, I'll give it a go. I'll try to peel them off. And I did struggle with the corners, first of all. I've got a bit long nails, so I thought it would be easy for me. I've got nails, I can just pick it up and then peel it. Yeah, as I said, the corners got a bit tricky than I thought, so I started using the knife just to lift it a little bit, the corner, and then lift the rest of it. And I thought, yeah, that's good. But what about people who actually rent the house and they taking them off to return the property? So I wouldn't recommend it to use the knife, only because you might damage your existing tiles. And as I said, if you're renting the house and if you're moving out of the rental and wanted to give back the house like you got it, it might be a bit difficult and might take a bit of time to try to do it properly, making sure you're not peeling anything or damaging anything. So I thought, I just skipped that one. And then so I decided to use a bit of heat to take them off. And you might think, heat from what? Obviously the first thing is a heat gun. And to be honest, no many people's got a heat gun in a house. I actually do have it, but I'm absolutely petrifying to use it. I'm a very clumsy person, and I decide that I'm probably going to bin myself, or I'm going to put it somewhere and melt something. So I thought, no. So, good old-fashioned hairdryer. Probably many of you, if not most of you, will have it in a house. If you don't, you can always borrow it, or you can buy it. You can buy it anywhere, and it's much cheaper than a heat gun. And let's be honest, you probably use that one more often than the actual heat gun. So, and then I tried to use a heat gun and a hairdryer, and it actually works. So I'm going to show you in a minute how to do it. So when you apply the heat, I think what's going to happen is just to slightly melting the glue underneath, so it's just easy to peel it. So you might not be able to hear me as I put that one on. It might be a bit noisy, but there you go. And I put you slightly closer so you can see. Just try to find one of the corners. It's just easy. There you go. And you're just simply peeling that off. Let's try the one I haven't put the heat on. So maybe the one right at the back, so the heat wasn't on. I got the corner pretty easy. Oh yeah, I got it. You probably see falling faces is because it's more difficult to take that off like that, and you need a bit of force to peel it. Oh, there you go, I give up. So it is able, you are able to do it, but it's just more difficult, and why struggle if you can just put a little bit of heat and then peel them off easy. So let's try to take the self-adhesive one off. And I think I will use the knife for that one as they're much thicker. There you go, got the corner there. to put a bit of force to peel them off. Again, I give up. Let's do it with the heat. There you go, that should be enough. Oh, that is much easier. It'll literally just pop out. There you go. And I can feel it that the back of that is still a bit warm, so it means the glue is slightly melted, so it's easy to peel off. So there you go, that's how you're taking them off. And if you got any more questions or want to see more video, please visit DIYkitchenrevamp.com. Good luck guys, bye!